today. We have as you can see, we have 3 groups, and each group has 3 containers. And one of them has plant gas. And I have many dead tree. Falling tree. Yes. And then is soil. And to reinforce our lesson, which function of land prevent floods and erosion. Listen to me. To improve the function of land preventing floods and erosion, you can use many materials to make an experiment. Use many materials to make experiment to improve the content we learned about in lesson. Do you understand? Yeah. Yes. You have 5 minutes to complete this, and now is work in group to complete an experiment to improve the content we learned. Yes. Back down to complete design experiment to.
Hay là có lá ở trên, còn cái thứ ba là có lan với cả đất.
Okay, and as you can see, after our team experience this border, the water is very dark and some soil are here. Yes, there are leaves above. And when we take the water into the bottles, you can see the water is not as dark as is. And the last one, there are very much plants here above the soil, and it is really mineral. It's clear. Yeah, it's clear. Yeah. And okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have 3 bottles. The first one, we only have soil without plants and leaves. So in the second bottle, we have soil with some leaves above the soil, and the last one we have soil with some plants growing here. And now we can compare the dirty level of the 3 containers. The first one, we can see it is very dirty, and the color of the water is very dark. The second one, we can see we have some leaves, so the leaves can prevent the dust from going down, so the water is cleaner. And the last one, we have plants above, so the water is very clean and clear too. So from the experience, we can see that when trees are planted, it can prevent flood and erosion.
Yes, thank you. You can talk more about why plant can reduce floods and erosion.
Because it can prevent the dirt and the soil going down on the surface.
Yes.
Yeah, it can prevent.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, very good, thank you.
Our teammates has prepared 3 bottles over here. The first one is nothing but soil and dirt. The second one is almost the same, but the ground is covered with dry leaves. The third one, there's some bushes here. It is fresh grass. And let's compare these three bottles. The first one, when we pour the waters in, the waters after about 3 to 4 bottles, the water it flows very fast and violently into this bottle. And as you can see, this bottle here, it has dirty waters, and you know it's dark. What makes it so dark? It's dirt and soil. So that you can know that the soil is also it is brought with the waters. So the soil may flow with the waters and it may disappear. At the second bottle, we have more leaves on the ground. When we pour the waters, the waters flows into here. It's not as violently as this one, and the waters is also more fresh. And the third one, we have more grass and plants. As you can see, the waters, it is so fresh. It's not as dark as these two. And the waters is also more fresh too. This means that not much soil is brought with the water. So at the final, if we combine these two methods, the waters wouldn't be the soil erosion wouldn't be as much as this one. So just imagine if we had a forest, what soil erosion would even be a problem.
Yes, thank you.